Hi friends, this is Kirti. Today I am going to create a simple Informatica PowerCenter mapping for a logic. How to remove the duplicates using sorted transformation. Let's go now. I have a contractors table in database with columns ID and name. Here I have inserted 4 records. In these first 2 records are the duplicate records having ID as 1 and name as Chaitanya. Now I am going to take this table as my source table. Next I am going to create our target table in database with the same structure as like our source table. I am giving the name of our target table as contractors target and the column names as ID and name. Let's execute this create query. Yes, executed successfully. Now let's check it once again. What is the data in the source table and what is the data in the target table by using select query. In source table we have 4 records. In these first 2 records are duplicates. In target table nothing is there. After our session execution, the target has to be with 3 records. The duplicate record with the ID 1 and the name as Chaitanya should not be inserted into our target table. Now let's create a mapping. First I am importing our source table structure into the sources from the database. So just go to the sources, go to the source window, and on top click on the sources option. Then select the option import from database. It is asking for the schema password, so I'm giving the schema password. So I'm selecting the table in that schema. So our source table is contractors. I'm clicking on OK by after selecting the contractors. So it created the structure of the source. Next I am going to create a target table structure. So for this you have to go target designer window and go to the targets option on top. Click on it. It will open. It is asking for schema password again. I'm giving the password. I'm selecting the table, target table, and clicking the OK button. Now let's check it. The source table structure and target table structure are created in the respective folders or not. Yes, those are created. Now I'm going to create a mapping. So go to the mapping designer. On top you can see the mappings tab. Click on it. Select the create option. Give the mapping name. I'm giving the mapping name as m_remove_duplicates_sorter. Now drag the target table structure into the mapping, and next drag the source table structure into the mapping. Next create the sorter transformation. So go to the transformation tab on top and click on it. Select the transformation type as a sorter. And give the name. I'm giving the name as SRT underscore dupe underscore remove. Now connect the sorter ports from source qualifier. Next double click on sorter transformation. It will open one pop-up window. In this, go to the properties tab, and here you can see distinct option. Check on it, then select apply. Close the window. Next connect the output ports of sorter transformation to the target. Then save it. Now you can see it is a valid mapping. Now I am going to create a workflow for this mapping. So first go to the Informatica PowerCenter workflow manager window. So here you can see workflow designer. So click on it. Next you can see on top workflows tab. Go to the workflows tab and select create. So it will open one pop-up window. So here it is asking for the name. So you have to give the name. I'm giving workflow name as workflow underscore duplicate underscore removal underscore sorter. Then click on OK. Now I'm going to create a session for this mapping. On top you can see tasks tab. So go to the tasks tab, click on it. You can see create option. Select create. It will open one pop-up window. So here you have to give the name of the session. I'm giving the name of the session as s underscore duplicate underscore removal underscore sorter. Click on create button. Next it will ask for the mapping. So select the mapping which we have created. Next select OK button. Now session is created. Link the session from start. Next double click on session. So it will open one pop-up. Change the DB connection of sources and change the DB connection of targets. Next, save the session and start the workflow. Now let's open Informatica PowerCenter workflow monitor. So here you can see our workflow is running. It got succeeded. Go to the source target statistics. You can see here in source qualifier the applied rows are 4 and the affected rows are 4. When it comes to the target, the applied rows are 3 and affected rows are 3. Means duplicate record removed. That's why it is showing 3 only. Now let's come to database. Now check here. So in source table we have a duplicate records. But when it comes to the target, we don't have any duplicate records. So guys, I hope you understood how to remove the duplicates by using sorter transformation in Informatica. Thanks for watching this video. For more updating videos, please subscribe to my channel Shivakirti Creations.